Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We come back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So, go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline it will sort your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, yes you, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all. So like this, when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. You done it? Welcome to the family. So let's start our lesson of today. As you see guys here, today is a green day here. It's happened here in that level here, and I'm going to tell you why in that video here. I'm going to tell you why the green day happened here. Everything we're going to explain in that video. Just stay with us till the end. So here in the daily, what shall we do? Remember what else we've been saying here. Here we said we got here that red candle here, inside bar. Which red candle? That one here. Me, I'm using that one here. That inside bar, did it getting broke? No. Is it getting broke down? Nope. Should you enter long? Here in the daily, should you enter long? Nope. There is no entry long here in the daily. Us, people they been with us, what else we said here in the daily? We came, we put in two moving averages like that. We put in here that 51 here. When it touched here and give us here that pin bar here, we said we need to buy 20% from our capital or what it left over, because people they been with us, we buying from all time now, but people that just came now, we said you need to buy 20% from here. Yes or no? That's what else we said. When all that fall in here, we said it. You can find it in the past videos. And what we said else, if the Bitcoin fall down here and touching the 200 moving average here, we are going to buy 50% from what it left over. It's going to fall down. We don't know, and no one can tell you exactly what's going to happen, but also we're analyzing day by day. I'm going to show you something very, very important here. Look with me here. Let's zoom it a little bit to explain those things to you very, very well. You remember that candle here? That red one here? That one is the candle of Monday. Then it came Tuesday, it came green like that. Wednesday, we saw the drop here. What that meant? That very, 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 very well known market makers playing. We call it, they make it like that, like that. Then after that, they are going to send it to the direction. Now here in that level where we are, what the Bitcoin done here? Fall down till here. A red candle, that's when he do that, falling down, also we're talking about here. Then today, was it done? That green candle, it's going up, guys. Yes or no? Now, either from here is going to break for us that inside bar as we have here is going to continue upward, or is going to do another scenario, then after that is going to fall down. What shall we do now? Us, I just show you everything you got here. Inside bar, that red candle here, that one here. If tomorrow candle came and close above that level like that, also we are going to enter long and we're going to go with it. If tomorrow candle came red like that and go back to where it used to be down here, what that indicating? It's indicating the Bitcoin is going to continue downward. Everything is too clear, guys. And another thing is going to give us here a head and shoulder, guys, like that. If it fall down tomorrow like that, so the levels also we need to make a close eye at them. That level down here, that one here, if we are break it down, that means also we are going to touch that 200 moving average. If we're going up and we're breaking above here, also we are going to go back to that level here where we fall down from here at 31k, guys. So we need to make a close eye at that level here if we are going to break it up or not. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see the coming news of today, and I got very, very special news for you today. So let's go in there. Here we are, the coming news for today. Before then that one, I got for you some things. We got that one, the stock market today down. That means the Dow Jones is down as volatility return after disappointed earning. That means the earnings of those companies, as we tell you in yesterday video, it came today and all of them, it came very, very, very bad. That's the first thing. That way you see the Bitcoin is going up because people, they taking the money from stock market and they put it in the Bitcoin. That's the first thing. Second thing, what is it? Is it that one? That one is the most important thing why you see the Bitcoin is going up again. Because that one, it's very, very, very important, guys. First Republic Bank accepted to be seized by US government. Another bank, it lose more than 40% today. But the banking system, it go back to collapse again. That's another and a huge important news, guys. That's why you see the Bitcoin today, it going up like that. Because people, they still scared and they're taking the money of them from US market, from the banks, and they put it in crypto. Because people, they are scared. They don't know which going to be the next bank will going to collapse. There's a new bank, it collapsed today. I think I explained it very well to you. So now it's going to see the coming news for today. The coming news for today, as you see it, guys, that's what we got. We got here core durable goods orders for USA. That one, it will not got a big impact to the market. Plus here the crude oil inventory, even that one, it will not have a big impact to the market. Here is our friend, the table of us we're looking at it every day. Look here, guys, look with us here. All US stocks today, they are red. Yes or no? Everything is red. Plus another thing very important here. What is it? It's that one. It's the VIX. We used to be 16. Look here. How much is it the earning of today? Or how much the VIX is going up? At plus 11.07%. It's a big move today. Also, we are going to break the 20. Why is currencies came back again? Because as what I show you just now, the banking system go back to falling again. Another bank is going to bankruptcy again. That's why you see the Bitcoin is going up and US stocks is falling down. If you trade in the SP 500, you're going to see a big red candle happening today. Everything is too clear, guys. So now, what else we will do? We are going to wait if the Bitcoin is going to break above that level I just showed you or no. Everything is too clear. Now, let's go in to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right, my friend. By the way, yes, you. I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You don't. Pause the video now, smashing that like button, writing down a comment. Tell us your thought. Where is the Bitcoin it will go? Tell us your opinion. What you thinking? You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. So, as you see here in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours, what else we said before? We said we are going to wait if the Bitcoin is going to give us here a double bottom. It gave us here a double bottom. Look at it. That's the double bottom and that the neckline is getting broke here in that level. Me, I'm talking here just about swing trading. For swing trading, yes, you can enter long now. Take profit. It will not be that much. It just came like that. It's going to be just here. The peak of that candle here, that one. See that tail of that candle here? That's where it's going to be the take profit or down of that level here. That just for swing trading, guys. Another thing very important here. Look what the Bitcoin is trying to give you here. Like a mega phone here down in the 4 hours. You see it or know how I draw it? I can to that one here, that level here or that peak here and that candle where we are and down the 2 levels. And I draw here a megaphone. So for the people, they enter at the end of that green candle here based on that double bottom here, that one here and that one here and that one. Those ones they enter long and they put the stop loss down here. People they haven't entered what they should do. Look with me what you need to do. You came, you do it like that and down here you do it like that and you draw there a megaphone. And you waiting. If another candle came and close above that level here, you need to enter long again. If not, if the market just do like that and came back and break down here, you need to enter short again. I've been talking with you about that double bottom here. In yesterday video, I told you if the market gave us here a double bottom, you need to enter. And that's what it did exactly. Look at it. But if you haven't entered, I just show you now what you need to do. You came here, you draw it like that. And like that. A megaphone. That's for the first. Second thing. What is it? What you got here? Look with me here. What you got? You came to that one here and that one here and you connecting them by a line like that. I know it's far away, but if that one it came and breaking here, it's going to go more higher and it's going to break for us that last high which is here. Everything is too clear, guys. And another thing here, very important. Look where you are. You are in that level here. You see it or no? That supply and demand zone here because it used to be a support. Now it's getting broke. Now it needs to become a resistance. Yes or no? Now, if we breaking above, also we are going to go more higher. If we turn in or we reverse from here down, we need to focus it about that level which is down here if we are going to break it down or not. And another thing here, you remember people they been with us, they remember all those things. We used to have here a wage like that. That wage here is getting broke here. When we reach down here, I told you guys, protect yourself, protect yourself. Now what the view for that one? I think also we are going to go more higher, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, you remember what else we used to say here? Said we have here a downtrend like this. It's getting broke here and now it's breaking for us that level here. That means it came from down from the level where they're controlling the bears to the bull level. That means here in the 4 hours, you change from a downtrend to an uptrend. Very clear. Look at it. Look here at that level here. Who controlling now? Is the bulls. There is no bears now. Now what should you do now here? You waiting that megaphone I just show you in the 4 hours. If it's getting broke here, you enter more long. People they be in with the market and they follow the market. When the double button came, will have they enter. For the people they haven't entered, they waiting that megaphone to get broke for them to enter. Again, long me I'm talking here. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our other indicator what it's saying. That one here, same thing. We used to be here at the oversold area. Here, got here a very stronger supply and demand zone. Double bottom here. Although you enter long at the break of the double bottom here. Now for the people they haven't entered, me I'm talking here about the people they haven't entered by the break of the double bottom here. That one here, that clear double bottom here. The people they haven't entered from the break here. What should you do now here? Look with me what you need to do. You came like that, you draw in there a mega fall like that, and you waiting. If a candle came and closing above like that, it meant to close above that line here, you open a long position and you use stop loss to put it down here. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, the last video. The last video, you can find it even in thumbnail of that video. What me I told you here, we do it like that. And down, we do it like that. Exactly like that. And what me I told you if it's breaking above here, enter long, you can find all that analysis in the last video. Just go back and watch it. Did it break? Look at it, it's breaking above here. You enter long till now, you are in nice profit here. Because the take profit for the one is need to be here. Exactly, it's bring you the take profit exactly now. Now here at that level where you are, you got a very stronger supply and demand zone there, guys. A very stronger supply and demand zone here. As you see, the last time here, it spent some time here after it break it down. Now it came back to test it again. Now either from here is going to fall down and to break for us that last low which is here, that one, that means it's going to continue it more downward, or another scenario is going to break it and to go back up. What should you do now here? And look at that megaphone I just show you in the 4 hours. Look at it here in the 30 minutes how it's clear it is here. Look, you see it or not? Very clear here in 30 minutes. What should you do now? You wait in the break to happen either up here to enter long, or the market to fall down and to break down here and you enter short. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. And also we're talking and maybe it's going to break it now. Our indicator is telling us also we are here at the overbought area. Should we enter short? No. In yesterday video I told you we got here a divergence. If you remember, that was me I told you in yesterday video. I told you we got here a divergence. You can find all that analysis in our last video. In 30 minutes you can find all that. Now at that level, our indicator is it here at the overbought area level. We are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Should we enter short? No, my friend, there is no entry short here. Unless if the market gave us here a price action, that's another story. Now there is nothing here. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.